melody or rhythm? What part of a new song do you usually learn more quickly? Or if you sight read, which part tends to feel easier on the first pass? If you are like many singers, the melody comes together fairly quickly while the rhythm can leave you feeling a little less secure. Today, we'll warm up the voice while giving your rhythm skills a quick and playful tune-up. Hello there, wonderful singers, and welcome to your KOVO vocal exercise routine of the week. My name is Dr. Julia Nielsen, and I'm the founder of KOVO, short for Community Vocalizing, where our mission is to advance singers' vocal health, fitness, and longevity by providing creative vocal exercise routines. This month here at KOVO, we are exploring rhythm, what we're calling core, C-O-R-E, KOVO rhythm exercises. During each workout, we are singing continuously as usual, but we are also working with interesting rhythmic challenges, irregular meters, polyrhythms, syncopation, tempo changes, and other patterns designed to sharpen your rhythmic instincts while you warm up your voice. So our first exercise uses a very familiar vocal warm-up pitch pattern, the 5-tone scale. Most of the time, when singers warm up on a scale like this, they sing it in a steady, even rhythm. But here today, we're going to use our scales to practice some more interesting dotted rhythmic patterns. So a dot after a note, you might recall, adds half of the note's original value to its duration. So the dotted eighth notes in this pattern will last 3/4 of a beat, while the 16th notes last just 1/4 of a beat. So let's try that on the vowels E and O. Now note the repeat sign. We're going to do this twice. Here's the quarter note pulse. Goes like this. Try that with me and make sure that the dots don't relax into triplets. Here we go. Now we're going to try something fun. We are going to switch to rhythm syllables inspired by the Hungarian composer, ethnomusicologist, and music educator Zoltán Kodály. These syllables are designed to make rhythmic patterns feel easier to coordinate, and many singers find that they actually make tricky rhythms easier to sing, and I think they're fun. So let's try the dotted scale now on the syllables timka timka. Here we go. Timka 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 ta. Timka 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 ta. Timka 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 Now, we're going to reverse the note values, placing the 16th note first and the dotted 8th note second. This is going to sound like this. E-o, 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 e. Try that with me. E-o, 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 e. E-o, 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 e-o. Now, Kodály syllables for this rhythmic pattern are tickum, tickum. I think it's delightful. So let's try a few of those on the way back down. Tickum, 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 ta. Tickum, 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 ta. Tickum, 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 ta. Tickum, 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 ta. Now, let's mix and match. See if you can read this pattern with me. You can use either vowels or the Kodály syllables. Give it a try. Tim katicum, tim katicum, tim katicum, tim katicum, ta. E-o, 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 e. Tim katicum, tim katicum, tim katicum, tim katicum, ta. E-o, 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 e. And what about this one? Try reading this with me. Tickum, tim, katickum, tim, katickum, tim, katickum, tim, kata. E-o, 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 e. Tickum, tim, katickum, tim, katickum, tim, katickum, tim, kata. E-o, 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 e. Great job, great job. That spices up your 5-tone scales. Our next exercise is actually a historical one. It comes from a French vocal method book from the early 19th century, and this exercise focuses on syncopation, which means placing an accent on a weak beat or on an off beat instead of on the strong beat. So that shift in rhythmic emphasis creates this off balance feeling that you're going to hear in this pattern. Now, eventually, we'll try to sing the whole exercise in one breath, but if you need to refuel halfway through, then you can try taking a quick breath where you see the check mark here. So let's try it slowly at first. Here's the quarter note pulse. Here we go. E-o, 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 e-o. faster up to tempo. Here we go. Nicely done. For our final exercise, which we will use to stretch into our higher range, we're going to explore an irregular meter. An irregular meter or irregular time signature simply means that the beats in a measure are grouped in uneven patterns rather than just groups of 2 or just groups of 3, which is what we most often feel in Western music. So this exercise is in 7/8 time, which means each measure contains 7/8 notes, usually grouped into smaller patterns. So to help you feel those groupings, we're going to first sing the exercise using the words triangle and duple, which highlight the different beat groupings. So this sounds like this. Triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple. Try that with me. Triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple. Triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple. Triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple. Triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple, triangle, duple, duple. Now that you've got the feel for the rhythmic pattern, we will challenge ourselves by taking the helpful syllables off and singing the same rhythmic groupings on the word Alleluia. So on the slide here, I've left the original version visible at the top for your reference, but we are now going to sing the bottom line, which goes like this. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Try that with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. Alleluia, alleluia, alleluia. So I hope that this workout has shown you that you can exercise rhythm skills while exercising your voice. This is a simple way to deepen your practice while strengthening your musicianship. So if you enjoyed this exercise routine, we've got more for you. Every week, we host 2 30-minute live vocal workouts on Zoom, and we would love to have you join us. These sessions are absolutely free. We meet on Zoom every Monday and Thursday from 6 to 6:30 p.m. Pacific time, and instructions on how to request our free Zoom link are in the description below. If you want to make sure you don't miss any new Kovo warm-up routine videos, please subscribe to the channel to see each new routine when it posts, or you can use the link in the description below to get each new routine of the week delivered directly to your email inbox. And finally, singers, remember, regular vocal exercise is the key to your vocal health, fitness, and longevity. Every time you show up at Kovo, you're going to get a creative vocal workout, expert coaching, and a community of friends to practice with. We'll see you there.